Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about best Square loans alternatives. When I first started my small business, the idea of a quick cash injection from a platform I already used, like Square, was really appealing. But as I grew, I realized that the Square loan, which is essentially a merchant cash advance or MCA, wasn't always the best fit for my specific financial needs. It's repaid as a percentage of your daily card sales, and while that seems flexible, it can be a heavy hit on a good sales day. So, I started looking for alternatives that offered more traditional or flexible structures, and this is what I found works best based on my own experience. First up is a business line of credit. This was a game changer for me. Unlike a lump sum loan, a line of credit lets you pull funds as you need them, up to a set limit. You only pay interest on the money you actually use. This is perfect for managing cash flow gaps or handling unexpected, smaller expenses. It gives you an emergency buffer without the pressure of a huge repayment schedule starting immediately. I found several online lenders offer this quickly, and the interest rates were more predictable than a fluctuating MCA fee. Second, for a larger, more structured investment, I looked into short-term business loans from online lenders. If I needed a fixed amount for a specific purpose, like buying a new piece of equipment, a term loan was better. I got a set amount, a fixed repayment schedule, and a clear interest rate. It's more like a traditional bank loan, but the application and funding process with online lenders are much faster than going to a physical bank. The key here is to shop around and compare the annual percentage rate, or APR, not just the flat fee some platforms advertise. Finally, if your business has a lot of outstanding invoices, invoice factoring or financing is an option I considered. This isn't a loan at all. You sell your unpaid invoices to a third-party company at a discount in exchange for immediate cash. It gives you your money right away without waiting 30, 60, or 90 days for a client to pay. It's all about leveraging your accounts receivable. This kept my operations running smoothly when I had a few big clients who were slow to pay. The biggest lesson I learned is that no single financing option is perfect for every situation. You have to consider how much you need, how fast you can repay it, and how the repayment structure fits your business's cash flow. For a predictable, large investment, go for an online term loan. For a financial safety net and flexibility, a line of credit is powerful. And if you're waiting on client payments, invoice financing is worth looking into. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.